Welcome back to the channel. In the last episode, Emma and Alex watched a movie together. They practiced listening with subtitles. But today, things are different. They are at a restaurant. This time, they will hear real English in a real situation. People speak faster. There are no simple dialogues. Will they understand everything? Or will it be too difficult? Let's watch and find out.
Hey, Emma.
Hey, Alex.
Ready for this?
I think so, but I feel a bit nervous.
That's normal. It's a real situation.
Yeah, no simple English today.
Don't worry, we'll help each other.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Hi, table for two, please?
Sure, follow me.
Thanks.
This place looks nice.
Yeah, and not too crowded. That's good. Easier to listen.
Here are your menus.
Wow, this is a big menu.
Yeah, there are so many options.
I don't know where to start.
Same here.
Let's just take our time.
Yeah, no rush.
What is this grilled chicken sandwich?
It's probably chicken inside bread, grilled.
Oh, that sounds simple. And this pasta with cream sauce?
Yeah, that sounds good.
I like dishes like that.
This menu has a lot of choices.
Yeah, but I think I'll choose something familiar.
Same. I don't want to take risks today.
Guys, are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. We need a few more minutes.
Of course. I'll come back later.
That was fast.
Yeah, I didn't catch it the first time.
Same, but the second time was clear. Yeah, I just needed a moment. Okay, I think I'm ready now.
Me too.
I'll go with the chicken sandwich.
Good choice. And I'll take the pasta.
Sounds perfect.
Yeah, let's try ordering now.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich, please.
And for you?
And for me, pasta please.
Great. Anything to drink?
Just water for me.
Same for me.
Perfect. I'll be right back.
That was much better. I understood everything this time. I feel more relaxed now.
Me too.
The first time was a bit stressful.
Yeah, but now it's easier.
I think our ears are getting used to it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Here you go.
Thank you.
This looks really good.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
Careful, it's a bit hot.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Let me try it.
How is it?
It's really good. This is really good.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
I'm glad we chose simple dishes.
Yeah, it made everything easier.
And ordering wasn't that bad either.
True, the first time was a bit stressful.
But the second time felt much better.
Yeah, I understood more clearly.
I think we just needed a moment to adjust.
Exactly.
Real English feels fast at first.
But then your brain starts catching more.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like getting used to the rhythm.
I like that. Getting used to the rhythm.
Yeah, that's a good way to describe it.
Excuse me, can we get the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
I'm glad I remembered how to say that.
Yeah, that's important.
Here you go.
That was a really good experience.
Yeah, I feel more confident now.
Me too.
At first, it was difficult. But then it became easier.
Exactly. Next time we should try something even more challenging.
Like talking to new people,
That sounds scary.
but also interesting.
Let's try.
Deal.
Great job watching until the end. In this episode, Emma and Alex faced real English in a restaurant. At first, it was difficult, but step by step, they understood more. And that's the key. You don't need to understand everything. Just focus on the main idea. Now, it's your turn. What would you order in this restaurant? And what do you say when you don't understand someone? Write your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next episode.